Hey guys, it's Taylor Christina and welcome back to my tiny little channel. This will be my first weekly reset since the kids went back to school last week. So let's get started. Without addressing the elephant in the room, hey guys, I've missed you so much. The kids went back to school last week. Ethan is in the 2nd grade now. Xavier is in the 8th grade. He will be in high school next year. I know, time flies. So the kids do wear uniforms. So I have washed Ethan's load and now I'm going to fold those and put them away. I spent a lot of time recently decluttering their rooms and getting rid of stuff that doesn't fit them anymore, getting rid of toys that they no longer play with, and going through boxes that were still in their closets left unpacked. So all of that was done before school started. I thought about filming that, but you know how it is, like it just takes so much more time to film it when you can just get it done. I'm gonna be my own best friend, controlling and you say that you love me, but you don't. Your family told me I am literally about to take my hair out right now. These braids have been in since July 10th or something like that. So relax, they're coming down today. Stop calling me, come pick up your clothes. Ain't no need to front like you're still with me. All your homies know. Ethan was not feeling well in this video. I know he was just breaking it down a few scenes ago, but he was not feeling well. He actually had a fever. The next day, I took him to urgent care. Turns out he had strep. So first week of school, already sick with a fever, laying around. Yeah, so welcome back to school, I guess. It's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on, I'm gonna be my own best friend. Got me, myself, and I know that I will never disappoint myself. All the ladies, if you feel me, help me sing it out. I'm sitting with you. Yeah, you hurt me, but I learned a lot along the way. After all the rain, you'll see the sun come out again. I be myself. Hey, I know that I will never disappoint myself. I'm crying. All the ladies, if you feel me, help me sing it out. I'm sitting. Hey, you hurt me, but I learned a lot along the way. After all the rain, you'll see the sun come out again. I did deep clean the kids' bathroom right before they went back to school, so this is definitely a quick clean. However, knowing what I know now, I'm glad that I sprayed the counters and let them sit for a little bit before I wiped it off so that it actually worked to sanitize the surfaces as opposed to just doing like a surface clean of visible dirt like the toothpaste or leftover lotion or whatever. It's important to let your products sit for like 5 minutes to fully kill any of the germs.
When I seen a hottest chick that a youngin' never seen before, I say, yo, tell the girls I wanna meet her. On second thought, that ain't the way to go. I gotta give her game proper, spit it so she get it, that she is, I gotta stop her. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time, she's out the door, I gotta go for mine. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time, she's out the door, I gotta go for mine. Let the girl say, excuse me, miss. Oh, yeah. And I gotta admit that you got my attention, you're making me want to say, oh. So you're trying to leave this.
So now I'm going to distract you and talk while I'm cleaning the toilet. So what would you guys like to see from me? I do miss filming vlogs. I regret that I don't have memories from these last couple years uploaded the way that I have from previous years. I love looking back on those. My family enjoys looking back on those and seeing how much the kids have grown since then. So let me know what you would like to see. Are we still into cleaning videos, vlogs, recipes? Let me know what you would like to see. This past summer has been really hard. I lost my grandfather late spring. So I have been grieving. I have been just coping, and along with some other stuff, it's been made abundantly clear that I need my hobbies. I need to resume this because It has kept me busy. It has kept me distracted in a way that is, I feel, healthy. Everyone benefits. The house is clean. Nobody gets hurt. So let me know what you would like to see from me moving forward.
Ain't nothing wrong with dancing, baby. It's so romantic, baby. I can be in your heart. So many things I want to tell you. I think that I should start by saying, yeah. I gotta give a game proper, spit it so she get it. There she is, I gotta stop her. Oh yeah.
I was suckered into the Omi box this year. I have been aware of the Omi for a really long time, and I just did not buy them. I just did not feel they were necessary. I was like, no, I'm not getting it. But I went ahead and got them this year. I do not like all the pieces that have to be clean. Otherwise, if you don't clean all these pieces, even the little strip that goes around to keep everything airtight, if you don't clean that, like that gets nasty. So all 50 million pieces have to be cleaned after every use, in my opinion, which is a lot of work on a daily basis. So yeah, that's the only thing. But aesthetically, so cute. The kids love how cute they are. It's like, it makes me want to switch up their lunches every day. It's kind of motivating to do something other than PB&J or a ham sandwich for lunch, if you know what I mean.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Baby, you can give it some.
I have not been very motivated to make any updates to the house, to buy anything substantial, but I did buy these 2 chairs from TJ Maxx. They were only $100 each. I did not find them at the same time. I went one day and then went back a different day and found the second one, but there was drama. You know how it is when you find furniture at TJ Maxx and you like go to try to get the employee and come back. Anyway, I almost had to fight somebody for this chair. Long story short. So, but you see, I was the victor. Okay, the chairs are in my living room. There was no bloodshed. There would have been, but there wasn't.
I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy.
This balloon was left over from Ethan's birthday. I have a 7-year-old now.
Baby, how long can you go, baby?
While I was finishing up downstairs, a load of laundry finished upstairs, so I'm switching that over. This is all Xavier stuff. He has been doing a really wonderful job with doing his own laundry, but for the purposes of this video, I am taking care of it for him. I'm also only going to put away his uniform pants just so that they don't get wrinkled, and I'm hanging them up while they're still warm to avoid as many wrinkles as possible, and then he will put away the rest. When I tell you, this boy has been living his best life all summer. I mean, back to school hit him like a ton of bricks.
I just wanna talk to you. Talk to you. Know this shit. Know this shit. Know what it is. I really wanna go. I really need to know. Can we get it together? Get it together. Get together. I really wanna stay. I really wanna go. I really need to know. Can we get it together?
We are wrapping things up with a quick vacuum in the hallway and in my room. Thank you all so much for watching. I know I'm a bit rusty with the angles. My head was cut off for a lot of this, so I'm still getting back in the swing of things. So give me a little bit of grace, extend a little bit of grace, and we'll get there. We'll get there. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.
What I really need to know, can we get it together? Get it together. Get it together. I really wanna stay. I really wanna go. What I really need to know, can we get it together?